Meaning of figurative.
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 Figurative. Figurative refers to language that uses figures of speech, such as metaphors, similes, and personification, to convey meaning beyond the literal definition of the words. Figurative language is often used to create imagery and evoke emotions in the reader or listener. It allows the writer or speaker to communicate in a more creative and expressive way, making their writing or speech more interesting and engaging. Figurative language can be found in all types of literature, including poetry, fiction, and non-fiction. Overall, figurative language adds depth and nuance to language, making it a powerful tool for communication.